for all. Okay? I-clear na natin, kwento ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari. So, nagpunta po ako sa Senate for the Eddie Garcia bill. Hindi po ako nakikipunta doon lagi because I am a full-time mom and wife. Also, online seller po ako. Okay, so I don't always go to the Senate. It's just that I was there to support the Eddie Garcia bill. At saka, alam nyo, sobra kasi ito talaga hirapan ng asawa ko yung bill na yan. Okay, so I was there to support my husband. Alright? Now, tumagal po yung, kasi last time parang, nung second reading, nandun rin ako, 6 o'clock tapos na. Now, every week talaga, I have a vitamin C drip. Okay? Diyan po kayo, medyo relax lang. Kasi, inisip nyo po,